Welcome back to the channel, guys. A few days ago there was this announcement that the PUBG Mobile is getting 120 FPS support on Galaxy S24, 23 and the Z Fold 5. So if you read this whole article, you know that 120Hz display is in fact what I have in the S24 Ultra and in the PUBG Battlegrounds, one of the most popular mobile games of all times. Apparently there was no 120 FPS support, so this game is very popular. I tested it several times in my performance gaming test. It came 6 years ago and it's limited at 90 FPS frame rate. So there was this announcement that the PUBG guys apparently will push out an update that will allow Galaxy phones to enjoy smooth 120 FPS. So they said that they are going to be putting this update on the Mate of 13, and right now, guys, today is the Mate of 13. Alright, so Samsung apparently worked with Tencent, the game's developer, to optimize it. So the optimization will be included in the latest version of the game optimization GOS and Game Booster app that will be installed. And the PUBG is a very graphically demanded game, but apparently we should be able to run it in 120 FPS. Now, I have the game running, but I also wanted to show you something. I now got this update. So there is an update for the gaming hub, and this update, if I scroll down, is from the 4th of May, so 7/0/11/12. But what is even more interesting, I got an update for the GOS, or the game optimizing service. And this is a tool that a lot of people hate because it throttles the phones, and you know the story, right? Like a lot of people disable this to just get better performance. And it says optimizations for PUBG 120 support. And this version, by the way, is from the 10th of May, so 3600268. The current version of PUBG Mobile is 3.1 and it does only support 60 FPS, maybe sometimes higher, but still not 120. And indeed, we have to wait for the PUBG Mobile update 3.2, which apparently should be released today, maybe also tomorrow, which is the 14th, 120 FPS. According to a social media post, PUBG Mobile 3.2 will begin to roll out tomorrow. Right, and let's just hope that we're going to be able to test it and try to see if we are getting 120 FPS or not. So it's time to demonstrate what the current version 3.1 can do. It's not gonna get better than these guys. Like in the actual game, 60, 70, probably 80, like perhaps is something achievable, but more or less, this is what I'm gonna get. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close the 3.1 version, guys, and because it's the miracle of the internet, it's already today. And we do have an update. And besides some new game modes like new team mode and mecha and whatever, there is nothing actually mentioned here about the 120 FPS. So, what I'm very much interested to check after me applying the update is, am I going to be able to get to 120 FPS, provided also I have updated the game launcher and the GOS, and clearly my phone is able to hit 120 FPS. Update appeared also in the Galaxy Store. When you open this, okay, you're gonna get pretty much the same changelog. Alright guys, I started a new game and now let's check how we are able to get 120 FPS, because right now I'm still using this old 60 FPS. So, after we're inside the graphics and audio, guys, you will notice that I'm using the frame rate extreme, but I'm using HDR, and this will not appear there. So if I go to smooth, I have an option to go extreme plus, right? And I can use that one, and still I'm not going to get 120. I'm gonna get something like 90. But if I go to ultra extreme, right? The common frame rate is set to highest, which is very taxing your device. So the system will enable power saving and etc. But if I select these guys, I have here finally a slider, alright? And this slider can go up to 120. So I'm going to now update it. Oh, and yeah, in fact, I'm already seeing more than 100. We're going to be playing for a few minutes, 38. Woo! So can PUBG perform and reach up to 120? Alright, we are not sure so much. Right now, I can see 110, so 110 is good. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Please. Yeah. Alright. They just got me, guys. They just got me. I was really focused more on the ratings here. But, alright, I will be now respawning 112, 114. So the S24 Ultra already feels like a red magic device. Going at 40 Celsius. So 40 Celsius is not a problem so much. 120. Yes, we are now indeed using 120. This is really, really cool, guys. If somebody would have told me this is possible, I would say, nah, I don't believe this. But it seems to be really possible. Yeah, we can now see, okay, I am gonna play a bit more to just see what is gonna happen at the end of the day. But I do believe that both Samsung and also the PUBG developer guys, they really hold up to the promise. 120, alright, so we just try to jump. And by the way, I can already feel a lot of heat accumulating. So yeah, it's 40 or whatsoever. But at the end of the day, guys, I do also have a cooler. So in case I want to play for prolonged hours, I can hook it up to my cooler and then play. Alright, let's just see what I'm gonna get right now. 170, it's very, very smooth, as you can see. $115, $116, $117, very stable FPS. It's really a pleasure to play like this. Let me try another map and see how it goes there. Very stable FPS, guys. It doesn't really drop below 110. Oh, it just did. Okay, it doesn't really drop below 100. In most of the scenarios, it's really, really, really almost 115, 116 all the time. It's really a pleasure. Let's try the drive mode with 120. Yep. Alright, 116. PUBG feels like GTA 5, guys. Speed boost. Honestly, it's impressive. I know I said it quite some times, but yes, absolutely. What amazes me is that apparently Samsung and the developer of PUBG, they just did a good job in preparing this. So it was promised to be yesterday, then it was shifted to today, and in fact today, yeah, the update was delivered. And as you can see, I'm just driving with 120 FPS. So what do you think, guys? Is this a promise that is kept or not? Let me know down below in the comments, and if you enjoy footage like this, guys, then you're more than welcome to subscribe. And before I end up this video, one more time, just want to measure some temps. Yeah, 42.5. So indeed it's taxing, but hey, this is the price to pay to get 120 FPS. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.